Shimmy Well, where we help you to shimmy your way into wellness. And I am back for the fifth and the very last way to juice your joints. If you've been following along with us so far, awesome. I hope you feel good in your wrists, in your shoulders, in your ribs, in your hips. And now we're going to work on your back. All right, if you haven't, go back to the very first one where I give you all sorts of awesome tips to help you juice your joints. In other words, ways to feel good in your joints. Whether or not you have arthritis, just overuse, or you just want to feel nice and soft and sensual in your body, this is a great way to do it. Follow along, and if you like this video and you like all the videos, go ahead, click the like, and don't forget to subscribe. This way your body won't miss out on any amazing tips of how to feel your most beautiful, strong, luxurious self through the beautiful ancient art of belly dance. Stay tuned. All right, before we get started, go ahead and look at the little review of the proper belly dance stance. And you know what to do. Go ahead and visit Bellydance 101, number 1 in our playlist on Shimmy Well's YouTube in order to go ahead and review. I am right here demonstrating the awesome camel move. So what is the camel? It is a body wave front to back, and it is something that helps release your back. Believe it or not, I have found this to be one of my favorite releasing moves if I slept funny and I'm having a lot of tension in my back, if I've been carrying a lot of goods all day, or even if I spent too long watching an awesome Netflix series. I need to do these to shake my body out. It's really, really important that you keep with the belly dance stance during these exercises. You want to make sure that your pelvis is squeezed forward and you are releasing your back. So notice I'm showing how to wave in and out, but still never leaving the energy in my entire abdominal system to relieve my back. So I never, ever, ever give up the control in my belly and let my back take over. And that's one of the ways that your abdominals can strengthen, but also be an amazing support for your back. So many of us have back issues, and all of these moves that I'm showing you are just incredible. All right, and what I'm showing you today in this video is the difference between a shallow camel, which is basically only moving a little bit forward and then back, which is what I showed you first, and then a medium distance. These are all full bodies, so you get the full benefit, and that is the deep one that we're doing right now. Go ahead and wave your body like I'm doing right here for the deep one. My suggestion would be to go ahead and do 5 of the shallow ones using the right foot in front, 5 of the shallow ones with your left foot in front, 5 of the middle distance with the right foot and then with the left, and 5 of the very deep one with the right and the left. So you're going to be doing 10 of each style of camel, altogether 30. All right. Now here is a nice slow-mo version of this move. When I'm doing something that does not come naturally to everyone, especially someone who might not be a dancer. By the way, you absolutely positively do not need any dance background in order to accomplish these belly dance goals to look beautiful and feel amazing. Notice that when I'm doing this in slow motion, you are able to see that the distance and speed to the front mimics the distance and speed to the back. So what exactly do I mean? All right, we're doing the second one, which is what I'm showing you right there, is 1, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4. Same distance. You don't want to give too much energy to the front without giving the same energy to the back. As a special little tip and trick of the trade, one of the ways that I instruct my students, if they're still having a difficult time with this particular move, is to go ahead and stand about 1 foot distance away from a wall. Hold your arms in the same amount of distance and go ahead and touch your forehead to the wall, then your chest, then your hips, then pull back your forehead, your chest, and then your hips, and go ahead and practice the rolls on the actual wall. If the 1 foot of distance is too far, go ahead and make the separation between you and the wall way closer. Go ahead and do as many of these as you would like to feel great. Now we're going to use the camels and express ourselves. This is one of my most favorite parts of doing any exercise, doing the drills to release the tension and then throwing in the moves into a choreography where we are just releasing, having fun, feeling good. You have a favorite song, put it on and go ahead and jam out. As long as you are keeping the posture great and the weight you need to support yourself, you will feel so many benefits and so good in your back by doing these camels. And of course, following all the ways to release tension in your joints through the awesome benefits of juicing your joints with amazing belly dance moves. Hi again, everyone. It's Jenny from Shimmy, where we have been helping you to shimmy your way into wellness. This concludes our 5 different body parts to help you juice them, to help feel amazing, to help fight any signs of aging, overuse, proper ways to, almost like if you're stretching at the gym, this is a way to release all the activity that you do throughout your day. Maybe you're carrying heavy things, maybe you're driving a lot, typing a lot. So this concludes it. I hope that you do it often. You keep coming back to these exercises. Don't forget, if you want to learn more about form, there's plenty of information in the Shimmy Wells YouTube page under Bellydance 101. And of course, there's going to be more awesome content for you to help you shimmy your way into wellness and feel as beautiful as you already are. I hope you've enjoyed so far. If you do and you feel super inspired to keep that practice going, to keep feeling absolutely awesome, go ahead and like this video. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you would like to see more of. And don't forget to subscribe so we can deliver. See you guys soon, and don't forget to keep shimmying.